Hello everyone! For today's video, you will learn the angles formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal line. This video features an instructional materials that contains the following: the tracing wheel, a marker, and a braille paper. This figure depicts a pair of parallel lines cut by a transversal line labeled with both print and braille characters. The parallel line AB and line CD. Line AB is placed above line CD, which is cut by a transversal line EF, with the following points of intersection. Point H lies on line AB, while point G lies on line CD. So, let us start by defining the key terms used all throughout the video. Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect. So we have line AB and line CD. Transversal line is a line that passes through two lines. We have line EF. So this is our transversal line, the line EF. Next, adjacent angles. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common side and a common vertex. For line AB, we have angle AHF and angle FHB. Their common side is side HF. So this is their common side. And their common vertex is angle H. For line CD, our adjacent angles are angle CGE and angle DGE. Their common side is side GE. And their common vertex is angle G. Next, we have vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite of each other when two lines cross. For line AB, the vertical angles are angle AHF, this angle, angle AHF, and angle GHB, this angle. And we have also angle FHB, this angle, and angle AHG, this one. For line CD, our vertical angles are angle CGH, this one, and angle DGE, this one. Okay, they are vertical angles, that one. And angle CGE, this one, and angle HGD. These are vertical angles. Next, we have alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are the pair of angles on the outer side of the two parallel lines, but on the opposite side of the transversal. So the alternate exterior angles of this given figure are the following. We have angle AHF and angle DGE. This one and that one. Next, we have angle FHB and angle CGE. This one are our alternate exterior angles. Next, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are the angles formed when a transversal intersects two coplanar lines, which lie on the inner side of the parallel lines but on the opposite sides of the transversal. So, the alternate interior angles from this given figure are the following. We have angle AHG, this side, angle AHG, and angle HGD, this one. So this one are the two interior angles. Another pair, we have angle BHG, this one, angle BHG, and angle HGC, angle HGC, this one. So these are the two alternate interior angles. I hope you learned something from this video.